Hey y'all, it's the Data Finance. I'm going to be showing you PancakeSwap Prediction, where you can risk BNB from your Trust Wallet or MetaMask in order to win if it goes up within 5 minutes or goes down within 5 minutes. And here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it and see what happens. Did I win or did I lose all my money? All right, here we go. We are logging into PancakeSwap.finance, scrolling down and found prediction right there. And we're gonna check to see what happened in the previous one. It looks like it went up and it looks like it's kind of staying level at a certain spot. So I think I'm gonna choose down because it looks like it's hitting its limit, but I usually don't choose it till about a minute in, because if you choose it too early it can do something else. If you choose it too late, I see it's right at the limit about 451, and if you choose it too late then your contract won't go through on BSC. So it looks like about 451 or so. Sometimes it's a little bit off on the BNB USDT right there in the top left, and I have a little bit of extra BNB right now, so I'm not going to risk a whole lot. And let's try to confirm that. This goes to my Trust Wallet. It's popping up on there, and looks like it's going to be about $8. And you can see the little one on there, the little red one on the BSC BNB, and that is what is trying to get confirmed on the BSC Binance Smart Chain. And you just wait for a minute while it counts down. So it's counting down the previous block over there. It's got 10 seconds remaining. At about that time it says calculating, because it's going to figure out what your current one is going to be, what the BNB is going to be, and what your limit is. So when it pops up right here, it says I'm entered into down. It's already started. It's 15 seconds in. And it's going to give my locked price at $450.83.9 or 450.839. And I kind of speed up through this process right here and kind of track if it's going to go up and down. It looks like it's going down. That's good. I needed to keep going down. I've sped up the time because we don't want to just wait for 5 minutes right here while it's counting down. So as you can see, it's counting down really quick. And it's staying down. It looks like it's negative $1.18.5, which is really good. I just needed to stay below 450.839. So keep staying there. Looks like it's going up some. Man, it's really shooting up. Of course, this is 4 times as fast as usual. And down here at the bottom, you can click between the cards and the graph. Down here at the bottom, near the win trophy. And that's how I'm checking to see what happens. It's getting close to time. It looks like it's above 451. It's above my lock price, which is not good. That is not good. Let's just hope it shoots down real quick. 64 cents above, a little over 64 cents on the up, and it's kind of staying there, 451.1, and it's already calculating. That's not good. 451.34 is what it's saying it is, which is definitely above what I chose. It's still kind of hovering there. And it looks like I lost. It was 50 cents, 50.1 cents above the lock price. So I didn't play it again, and that's it. All right, y'all, that's it. I lost it. Lost all that $8. But it's really addictive, and it is gambling. So just be careful doing it. Don't risk a lot. Don't double up. It's just fun to try. And I hope y'all have a great time. All right, Data Finance, Matt Ron, I'm out. See y'all.